Morning, sir. I am Michael Angelo Pasis. I live in Santa Teresa, Claveria, Cagayan, and I am currently studying in Mariano Marcos State University, taking on BSIT, and I'm from the CCIS department. If I would rate myself, my if I would rate my writing skills in English, I would give myself a 6 or 7 out of 10 because my English writing is not good and sometimes I make mistakes, but that's okay. Mistakes is part of where you learn and where you discover new things. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. And my hobby, sir, is drawing and I like listening to music. Um, my sports is boxing because I aspire to be Mike Tyson someday.